I wake up at 6 every morning. I am waking the kids for school right now. I have just woken from a strange dream. I have been waking up before my alarm all week. I woke up with a headache yesterday. I was waking up when the thunder crashed. I had woken the whole house by accident before dawn. I had been waking up at night for weeks before I saw a doctor. I will wake you at 7 tomorrow. I will be waking up in a new city this time next week. I will have woken up refreshed by the time the trip starts. By June, I will have been waking at 5 for training for a year.